Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 UK universities for journalism, based on the complete university guide's ranking for communication and media studies in 2025. Starting off at number 10, we have the University of Birmingham. Known for its stellar faculty, Birmingham offers a robust journalism curriculum that prepares students for modern media landscapes. 85% of students at University of Birmingham say that teaching staff have supported their learning well throughout their journey in BA of Communication and Media Studies. Moving to number 9, Cardiff University stands out with its research-driven approach. Cardiff is thriving with students being able to take advantage of growing media and creative industries, plus links to BBC Wales and Media Wales, situated next door. 82% of their students are in work or furthering their studies within 15 months after the course. At number 8 is King's College London. This university blends theoretical and practical journalism studies, offering students opportunities to work with leading media organizations right in the heart of London. KCL was also ranked 4th in the UK for Media and Communication Studies by QS World University Rankings by Subject 2024. Next, at number 7, is Newcastle University. Their 3-year journalism, media, and culture degree focuses on developing your writing, production, and communication skills across a range of platforms. 42% of Newcastle University's research is classified as 4* world-leading research. Ranked number 6 is the University of Leeds. The School of Media and Communication at Leeds offers excellent facilities and technical support for developing your production skills and creativity. They have a range of industry-standard workspaces, such as a podcasting studio, 2 TV studios with green screen, and a broadcast-quality radio studio. You'll use these facilities to complete individual journalism assignments, and when working collaboratively during newsday simulations of industry practice. Coming in at number 5, the University of Warwick offers an interdisciplinary journalism program. Warwick's strong links with the industry ensure that its graduates are highly employable and well-prepared. The Center for Cultural and Media Policy Studies at Warwick was one of the first places in the world to teach students how to develop successful careers in these industries at postgraduate level, establishing the MA Creative and Media Enterprises in 1999. Number 4 on our list is the University of Strathclyde. In studying journalism, media, and communications, students will engage in useful learning in a broad professional context, which includes a critical understanding of the media industry, while acquiring technical and professional skills in journalism, communication, information design, and management, and using them in the dynamic media market of Glasgow and beyond. They also organize field trips to newsrooms in Glasgow, such as BBC, STV, the Herald and Radio Clyde, and work continuously with students on ideas for future professional events. The University of Sheffield takes the number 3 spot. Sheffield's journalism program is distinguished by its emphasis on research and its state-of-the-art media facilities. Sheffield is currently the only Russell Group university to be accredited by the National Council for the Training of Journalists, NCTJ, and the Professional Publishers Association, PPA. It was also ranked first in the Russell Group for learning opportunities, student voice, and assessments for the BA Journalism Studies course. In second place, we have Lancaster University. Lancaster School of Communications and Media provides a diverse curriculum that covers everything from digital journalism to media theory. 100% of their students are in work or pursuing further studies within 15 months after the course. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is Loughborough University. Loughborough is celebrated for its rigorous academic environment and its strong industry connections, making it a premier choice for aspiring journalists. Not only ranked first by Complete University Guide 2025, Loughborough is also ranked first by the Times and Sunday Times Good University Guide 2025. The Media and Communications degree at Loughborough provides hands-on training in social scientific analytical skills, relevant to a variety of jobs in media and cultural industries, such as social media analysis, interviewing, focus groups, content analysis, surveys, and industry and audience data analysis. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of the top 10 UK universities for journalism. These institutions are indeed shaping the future of media and communication. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on which university you think stands out the most. See you in the next video.